Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video. And in this new video we are going to see the best alternative to AutoCAD. So I'm going to propose different softwares that you can use as a great alternative to AutoCAD. With this software AutoCAD, you can work with various type of planes. You have the possibility to work with different type of drawings. You can add dimensions, you can print the pages, and you can do a lot of technical drawings. And I'm going to show you great alternatives that you can use for free or with an affordable price. So the first alternative that I'm going to show you is LibreCAD. So LibreCAD, it is very interesting software. It is open source and it is a free software, so you can just take a look on their website and you will have different type of information. You can download the software on the website. It is totally free, so this one is open source, but not only open source, it is totally free, and generally it is a reference if you want to have a great alternative to AutoCAD to focus on a CAD software totally for free with a lot of tools. So you can take a look more information of the software. You can directly download the last version, and I'm going to show you directly the interface of LibreCAD. So this is the interface of LibreCAD. So as you can see, you have a lot of different type of windows. You can organize the window at your convenience. Totally on the left, you have different types of tools in different categories. You can create different type of shapes like rectangles, circles, polygons, and more. You can create various type of line. You can create tangent line if you need. You can create crossing line. You can create a lot of things. You can create curves as well, and you have a lot of tools also to adjust all these type of things. So if you want to open a line, you can open a line to a specific point. You can add different dimension. You can add different type of constraint, and definitely it's perfect if you want to create a technical drawing. For example, you can recuperate a part to create an object with different dimension, and you need to have different type of views. And for this, you can use this type of CAD software. One more time, you have the possibility to work with layers. So it means you can create a layers with your drawing, a layers with a dimension, a layers with a text, and so much more. So definitely LibreCAD a reference if you want open source free software to work with CAD and totally for free. The second software that I'm going to introduce to you is QCAD. It is a powerful CAD software. This one is not free, but the license is very affordable. It's around $40–50, and the quality of this software is definitely very great. LibreCAD is very great as well, and QCAD is very great also. You can take a look on their website one more time and see what you will be able to do. You will be able to download the software and also to try the product for free during a limited time, and after, if you are interested, you can buy QCAD. So QCAD is definitely very powerful. This software is very ergonomic. You have the same type of feature of LibreCAD. It's not free, but maybe it's a little bit more maybe ergonomic than LibreCAD. So let's take a look to the interface. So as you can see, the interface looks very ergonomic, very clean, not too many type of things. We can go directly to the essential. Totally on the left, one more time, a lot of tools in the different categories to create different type of technical drawing. One more time, we can create multiple type of shapes, multiple type of circles, multiple type of line with different type of constraint. We can edit all these different elements with a lot of transformation tools and modification tools. Totally on the right, you can find layer panels, and one more time, you have a lot of more options. You can add dimension, you can add text, you can introduce all this type of thing inside a page and create, for example, a frame to this page with different type of information, about the dimensions, the title of the document, and so much more. And you can finish your work with print, for example, the page. One more time, a very convenient tools, extremely great. You won't have any type of problem with a QCAD, and I can advise you this software as well as great alternative to AutoCAD. The next software that I'm going to introduce you is nanoCAD, but the free version of nanoCAD. So it means it is an old version, it is a version number 5, and it is a free CAD software. So you can have all the last version of nanoCAD, it is paid version and you can work with a lot of things, but you have this version, it is an old version, it's not going to be upgraded, but it is very convenient. It is the old version 5 of nanoCAD, and it is a free version that you can have access directly on their website. So free CAD software, and you have many interesting features. You can just type directly nanoCAD free or nanoCAD free version 5, and directly you will be able to find this page. And I'm going to show you the interface of nanoCAD 5. So let's take a look to the interface of nanoCAD 5. So one more time, many type of tools. You have a toolbar on the left to create shapes, to create line, to create different type of curves, to add text, for example. And when you go on the right, you have all the tool of modification, transformation. So you can, for example, duplicate an element, you can open an element, you can create an offset, you can create also various type of patterns like a linear patterns, a circular patterns. So you have all these type of tools. So on the left, tool of conception, on the right, tools of transformation. One more time, you will be able to create different type of layout with different type of size of pages. You have various type of snapping options as well. One more time, it is perfect to create technical drawing with dimension, with text, and to work with precision with specific things. So nanoCAD version 5, it's an old software, but definitely still a great software that you can use, and this one is totally free as well. And the last software that I'm going to introduce you is Solid Edge, the 2D drafting. So this is a version of Solid Edge 2D drafting. So concretely, when you work with Solid Edge, you can have a 3D part and a 2D part. So you have 3D modeling and you have also 2D works. And concretely, with the total version, you can use the 3D features and the 2D features, and here just the version focusing only on the 2D features. So we will have only an interface with only the tools, only the options of the 2D features. And you can go on their website, or you can type just Solid Edge 2D drafting, and when you type Solid Edge 2D drafting, you will find easily this page, and this version of Solid Edge is totally free. So it is another interesting tool. So let's take a look of this version of Solid Edge. So as you can see, it's not going to work like the other software that I show you. It's a little different. It's really the interface, the basic interface of Solid Edge, but only for the 2D features, only for the 2D features. So in Solid Edge, the different tools are generally on the top, just like this. So you can create line, different type of circles and curves, and you can create offset, transformation, create symmetry, you can create offset, repetition. So you can do a lot of things. You have everything that you need. Then you can add different type of dimension. You can add annotation. You can arrange. You can work also with blocks. Block is very powerful in this type of software. In all the softwares that I introduced to you, you can work with layers and you can create blocks as well. And you can add various type of annotation. So the interface is a little bit different. It is the interface of Solid Edge. But one more time, it is a convenient tools that you can use totally for free. So for this, if you want to learn this different software, I'm going to introduce to you the four training courses to perfectly master this software. In the first link on the description, you will find LibreCAD, the complete course with introduction videos. And thanks to that, you will be able to learn LibreCAD. You will find information here about the price of the course, the number of lessons, and hours of video content. Every time it is complete course to perfectly master the different features of each software. For example, here you have the models, create drawings, and inside how to create rectangles, polygons, circles, create perpendicular lines, parallel line, and more. Don't forget that you can also click on Show More here to see all the description of the models and the session of the course to perfectly master LibreCAD. Secondly, on the description, it will be QCAD, the complete course. One more time, a video of introduction, and if you continue, you will see the price, the number of lessons, and hours of video content to perfectly master QCAD. And one more time, on the left, different the models and the session to learn this course, to learn QCAD. Thirdly, on the description, it will be nanoCAD, the complete course. One more time, the video of introduction of the training course. And you will find one more time information about the course, the price, the number of lessons, hours of video content, and here models and session to perfectly master nanoCAD. And I'm going also to show you on the 4 links on the descriptions. You will be able to find Solid Edge 2D drafting, the complete course. And if you continue one more time, you will see the price, number of lessons, and hours of video content, and description of the different models and session of the course on the left. And one more time, you can click on Show More to see all the models and session description of the course. You will have also the possibility to discover these different software on these channels, because we have a series of video tutorials on each channels. So you can have different videos to start with LibreCAD on these channels, to start with QCAD, to start with nanoCAD free version 5, and to start with Solid Edge 2D drafting on these channels, to have some basicals directly with series of video tutorials. So great alternative to AutoCAD, LibreCAD, QCAD, nanoCAD version 5, and you have also the other version of nanoCAD if you want the pay version, and Solid Edge 2D drafting. For the next video, see you, ciao ciao.